Hey guys, welcome back to our urban homestead. My name is Chelsea. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are not new, welcome back. So I am out in the potato patch. Yesterday I harvested a row behind me, and I'm gonna harvest the next 3 rows. We're supposed to get some pretty severe weather, and I want to harvest these before the rain gets to them and they die back. And I thought I would take you along with me because I'm pretty excited about the potato harvest that I've got so far. This is my first year growing potatoes here. I have done the RUTH STOUT method. I did not prep this ground at all. I threw seed potatoes on top of the grass and then piled it with straw, and I'm excited. My first row yielded 12 pounds, well, just over 12 pounds. So let's see what we can get from these 3 rows. I still have a bed in the back that has potatoes, and those have not started to die off yet. All right, so let's get harvesting. All right, I'm gonna start with this plant here. I'm not guessing that this one is gonna yield a whole lot since it's on the end. Look at those little babies. And I'm just gonna pick these off, and this will go into the compost. But I am gonna dig underneath here and just make sure there's nothing there. Nope, nothing. Harvesting potatoes is kind of like Christmas. It really is. You don't know what you're gonna get. A couple nice size ones. I planted 2 varieties. I did Norland Reds and Kennebecs. Obviously the Norland Reds are the red potatoes. The Kennebec potatoes are a white variety. I want to just show you what this looks like down here once everything has broken down. I mean, this is beautiful, and by next year this will all be wonderful composted soil. So maybe we'll get an even bigger harvest. All right, I'm gonna move a little bit further down. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. You gotta really look, because even this potato is small, but I'm not gonna throw, like, we're not gonna just let that go to waste. So you really want to make sure that you cover all your bases and look for everything. Look how clean and beautiful they come out though when you do them this way. Got a couple little babies here. Okay, so I'm gonna work my way down this row, and if I like come across any like humongous ones, I will definitely bring you in for it. A nice little, another pullback. I mean, they just come out beautiful. I am so excited, you guys, and like pretty gosh dang proud of myself. This is amazing. I'll definitely be planting potatoes out here again next year. This is like better than Christmas as a kid. This is like the adult version of Christmas. The adult version of Christmas. And so then what I'm doing as I'm pulling up the potatoes is any weeds, I'm just pulling them up and putting them down there. And the potato plant, I am just laying on its side to create more compost. So that's what we're doing. And then next year, when I go to plant, all of these will be broken down. All we'll have to do is set them on top, cover them with straw, and we might even get a bigger harvest than we have this year. But look, I'm about halfway through this one row, and that's what I've got so far. I'm so excited. All right, that is the first row of reds, and then I still have this row. These are the Kennebecs. So that's a pretty, I'm gonna say another 10 pounds of red potatoes. Let's see what we get from these Kennebecs. All right, and there is the Kennebecs on top of the reds. April picked it up. She thinks the whole basket weighs 22 pounds. I think it weighs about 28, so I am going to weigh them. So strong. And we will see. And I'm telling you what, we picked them at the exact correct time because we are going to get some severe weather. So, all right, I'm gonna start with these Kennebecs. I mean, just look at how beautiful they are. I could honestly, you guys, probably cry. Now my scale only goes up to 10 pounds, as we figured out in my last video. RUTH STOUT method, you guys. I am giving it a 10 out of 10. Loving it. It is coming down out there like you would not believe. So we really picked these at the perfect time. I mean, come on, oh my God, I'm so excited. trying to do it a bit slower because, like I said, my scale only goes to 10 pounds. Okay, well, that's over 10. All right, 10 so far. All right, so we're at 22 pounds grown so far. There's still some Kennebecs, but we're just gonna, I don't know, there's maybe like 5 pounds of the Kennebecs and then Norland Reds. So I'm just kind of lumping them all in together at this point. Look at that. Yeah, there's a bit of, looks like something had gotten there, so I'll probably have to cut that out when I go to eat it. But oh my God, this one, not so much. That one's beautiful. I mean, come on, guys. Oh. I don't know who else gets excited about growing your own potatoes, but it is me. Oh, I think I got about one. All right, that's another 10 pounder. So I am half a pound shy of 60 pounds, you guys, for 3 rows of potatoes.
50 pounds.
I could literally probably cry right now. Especially a year that it's so important to grow your own food, and I've never grown potatoes, so that's like 20 pounds a row on average, because there was 3 rows, and each row I planted 5 seed potatoes. So from 15 seed potatoes, I got almost 60 pounds of potatoes, and I still have more to harvest in the back. I am elated. And I still have a bed of potatoes to harvest that are not ready yet. So these, they have to go cure. So I already have the ones I harvested yesterday spread out. These will all get spread out, and they will cure for 2 weeks, and then they'll be safe to store for long term. I might can some up if I have the time. I don't know. You guys know the next couple days is going to be very busy for me. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me. I appreciate it so much. And if I can do it, you guys can do it. So don't be afraid. Grow your own food. Throw them potatoes on the grass and cover them with straw, because you're going to get a harvest. Thank you all so much for being here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, abundance and blessings to you. Bye-bye.